What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. It's breaking my heart, it's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care, like a nightmare. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. So what do we do when we're lost and depraved? I need you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. missing for a while. I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. But when you left, I could feel it grow like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. To be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without.
So much for watching. If you guys stuck around until the end, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, so I did not get all of this done in 1 hour. It took me way longer than an hour, and as I was checking off my list with you guys, I gradually just stopped. I don't know why. I guess I just forgot what I was doing. But yeah, I didn't get to wash the couch cushions and the pillows. But yesterday was the first day that I was feeling well in like over a week. And I think I might have overdid it yesterday because I took care of, so yesterday I washed everybody's bedding and cleaned everybody's closet out. I did so much laundry. After a week and a half of not doing laundry, let me tell you, I had so much. But we were all like so deathly ill. We had flu B like run rampant in our house, and everyone was like so like sick. That's why there's no blankets in here. Like all of my blankets, all of my couch cushions and pillows still need to be washed, but I'll probably do that throughout the night tonight. Good night. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. My dog's gonna start barking at me now. So anyways, thanks again, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Like a body of water.